Here, let me hold Ellie. No, okay. Chickens.
You like chickens? Oh, you're okay, chicks. Oh, bless you.
Are you allergic to chickies? Maybe I'll wash, well, I can't wash Ellie after you go to bed because you cuddle with it. Can I hold Ellie for a little bit? Let me hold Ellie while you look at the chickens, okay? Let me hold Ellie while you look at the chickens. That's a good boy. Look at them over there. See the chickies? Where'd they all go? She got a picture of him carrying her out.
Yeah, I don't know if it came through or not, but
Come here, John.
oh, is he coming back?
Yeah, the chickens are coming out.
Yeah, that's why I was going to chase him out to him.
Chickies.
Chicken chasing sure is fun. Where'd they go, John?
Oh, God.
There's Beagle. Say hello, Maudie.
Rocky, leave it.
Bad dog.
He says put those snacks on. They need feed.
Oh yeah, they're plumb out of food. Here, I'll go get it. It's videoing right now.
Grandpa'll be right back. He's gonna go get chickie food. He put us in a cage, didn't he? Grandpa'll be right back. Oops! Your hat fell off. Let's get your hat. have a seat. Here comes Grandpa. He's gonna feed the chickies. You wanna come see Grandpa feed the chickies? Let's go watch Grandpa feed the chickens. Come on. Come on. Chickens. Chickens. Can you say buck buck? Buck buck. Buck buck. Can you say buck buck? Buck buck. Chickens.
Rocky, get out. They're trying to dig out up there and we're about to get it done.
The chickens are?
Yeah. See that right spot? I thought about setting that water thing up on that cement block. I'm afraid it's too high.
Yeah, I think it probably is too high.
Oh, you're sunning yourself?
Well, that's the unplugged electric light. You probably don't need to be piddling with that.
I know.
Whoops. It went boom, didn't it?
Here.
No, let's not put it in your mouth. Yeah. Wawa? It's a chicken wawa.
See, they're about to dig out all the way around.
Yeah. And we're going to have to put something in there.
Need to do it from the outside, probably.
Yeah. You like the baby chicken house? Have a seat.
Well, come on, let's go feed Cisco.
Wanna go see Cisco?
Let's go feed Cisco. Come on. Give me a hand. Let's go. There you go. Good job. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, have a seat. Oh, take my hat.
Knock your hat off. That's going. There you go. All right. Here we go. Hold my hand. Let's go feed Cisco. Okay, you don't want to hold hands. You're too big for that, aren't you? Come on.
Let's go feed Cisco.
Say bye-bye, chicks.
Say bye-bye, chickens.
Leave your hat on. The sun's out too bright.
Bye.
Bye, chickens. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go feed Cisco.
Bye.
Bye, chickens.
Bye.
Come on. You don't get cut on that wire. Yeah, Tucker, stay.
Say bye, chickies.
Okay, come on, let's go. Look at here, who's coming? Look, John. Look who's here.
Kiki. Spot.
It's Spot.
Come on,
Billy.
let's go see Spot. Ow.
See Spot?
There's Spotto.
Hey, buddy.
MJ.
Yeah, it's Spot.
Kiki.
Say hi to Spot.
Kitty, kitty.
Sophie. Everybody just
Teddy. I know, you want to herd the baby. You want Grandpa to carry you or you want Grandma to carry you?